Since I want to make a background for Evelyn's monster here on one of the polar ice caps, I am going to use Google Images to find one that I can have permission to use for this. To do that, we also have to keep track of where it came from. So I'm here in the portfolio program, Google Sites, and I'm going to use this instead of creating a special separate file to keep track of the URL for a single picture. I'm going to use this simple content block, and this is going to be where I'm talking about my source image, and this can be where I paste that URL. So to get one that we know we can use, I'm going to go to Google Images and go to my advanced search settings. I'm going to do a polar ice cap and go down here to the usage rights. I'm going to ask for ones with Creative Commons licenses and do an advanced search. That's going to give me a whole lot of pictures that should work. I'm not worried about resolution because I'm not putting this in a high resolution video. I'm using it as a reference to make a picture from. So I just need one that's got the kind of scene and the colors that I want. I don't need a polar bear in there, but here's one right here. How about this one? Let's try that. So I'm clicking on it, and I'm going to right click and open image in a new tab. Now this one is blocked by school. I could probably still use this one, so let's give that a try. I'm going to copy the image address and go back to my portfolio. I'm going to paste that image address right there. I'm pressing enter to make sure it's a link. I actually need that image, so I'm also going to copy the image and then go back to my portfolio here, and I want to paste it in here. So since I don't have it to upload, I'm just going to Control V paste. Let me go back and get that again. And paste. And then I can just slide it into that spot. All right, so to use that in my actual Illustrator file, I will also need to paste it into that file.